Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to turn off MyPay on a Chime. So you do it from the app or from the desktop website. What you need to do, okay, you need to call them on this number or write at Chime. This is their address, okay? And if you're trying to call them, it's 844-244-6363. So you need to tell them in advance to basically stop these payments. And if you call, they might also require you to put in your request in writing as well to basically get you within 14 days after you call, right? There's no fee to process you stopping your payments, okay, or auto pay. Don't worry about any of that, okay? Just make sure that you basically give them your request 3 business days or before the payment is scheduled to be made. Just keep that in account, okay? And you should be good to go. So if you appreciate this, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.